Hello students, today I will explain how to measure the thermal conductivity of metallic rod or good conducting rod material. As we know, now objective is to determine the thermal conductivity of a good conductor of heat, that is metal rod. As we know, according to Fourier law of heat conduction, Q equal to Ka minus dt by dx. Here Q is the heat flow rate, K is the thermal conductivity of the metallic rod, A is the area perpendicular to the heat flow direction, like this. This is the metallic rod surface and heat is flowing from this direction. Then this area is the A. And dt by dx is the temperature gradient. We also know for heat absorbed by cooling water is Q dot equal to M Cp and dt. Here M is the mass flow rate of the water, Cp is the specific heat of water at constant pressure, T is the change in temperature of water, that is T outlet minus T inlet. Q is the heat flow rate. From the equation 1 and 2 we can write down M Cp d capital T equal to K A minus dt by dx. Here is the small t which indicate the temperature of metallic rod. This is the temperature of the cooling water. Now from this equation we can write down K equal to M Cp d capital T divided by A and minus dx by dt. If we know the value of M mass flow rate, which can be measured by the equivalent, Cp specific heat of the water at constant pressure, T is the dt is the change in temperature, A is the cross section area, and dx by dt is the dt by dx is the temperature gradient. We can easily calculate the value of thermal conductivity. Now for calculating the temperature gradient, we will plot the curve between the temperature of metallic rod and the position. Here T is the temperature of metallic rod at different position of the rod. X is the position of thermocouples from the burn end. If we plot the curve between the temperature and position, it will come out like this. Like this. The slope of this curve indicate the temperature gradient. Like this. Here is that, for example, here is the 450 degree temperature, is the 400 degree centigrade, here 300 degree centigrade, 200 degree centigrade. This is the distance from burn end, 200 mm, 300 mm, so on. We can find out these point by the equipment and we will plot curve. The slope of this represent the temperature gradient. Now this is the equipment for the measurement of thermal conductivity of metal rod. Here this is the water inlet and outlet opening valve. These are the thermocouples for the measurement of inlet and outlet temperature of the water. This is the heat source, which is heater. And here is the metallic rod which is inside the chamber. Now these are the thermocouples. These are the thermocouples attached at the different position of the metallic rod at different position. For these are 6 thermocouples. Now this is the power on off switch, voltage indicator, current indicator, and the temperature indicator. After switch on the equipment, after 2 or 3 hours, we will note down the temperature of the thermocouples or the metallic rod at different position after getting the steady state conditions. Now this is the observation table. Here T1 is the temperature of the water inlet water, T2 is the outlet water, and T3 to T8 are the temperatures for the metallic rod at different position. The position of the thermocouples are given in the lab manual, like 35 mm from one end, 75 mm from one end, like this. After getting the temperature, we will plot the curve like this to find out the temperature gradient. By putting all the values in this formula, we can easily calculate the thermal conductivity of the metallic rod.